right. Wow, there's a nice long line of some nice, awesome cars here. There's a nice Lotus. Here's a M3. Here's a nice GT3 RS. Oh, there's the new AMG right there. And we got a Skyline. And we have the all-new Rolls Royce back there. This is actually only my second time seeing a two-door Rolls Royce. And then there's a what's this, 458 Ferrari. We got a classic Mustang, and then we have a GT3 RS behind them. Here's a right-hand drive Land Cruiser. There's a Corvette, nice Caddy. Here's an M3, M2. Oh, we got a nice Lexus back there. We got this nice Huracan, I think STO. We have a nice GTI with BBS wheels. We have this right-hand drive Land Cruiser that parked beside us. This is nice. And then here in front of us, we got this nice Lambo convertible Huracan. We got this GT3 RS. We got this wide body AMG GT. And then we have a Koenigsegg right behind it. I just realized this is our friend's car right here. He changed the body kit, or he got a new body kit and then changed the color. And then there's the Koenigsegg right there, 430 Ferrari. And then we have this nice Porsche behind him. Wow, it's already 8, and look at the line here, guys. Oh my gosh. And then you have this other line right here. Damn. It's traffic right now. But good kind of traffic. Oh.
Good morning, guys.
All right, good morning. The line is still backed up. But you know what? We're going to start walking around already. Good morning. It's like past 8 a.m.
Yeah.
It's still traffic. But look at all these awesome cars here. Yeah, let's walk around and check it out. We're gonna start over here. Oh man, they got the music playing, but look at all these awesome Porsches here. Some GT4 RSs here. We got the Spider RS. And over here to my right, we got the GT3 RS, another GT3 RS. We got this Porsche here with Volk racing wheels. Here's a raced out Porsche with a nice livery. We got some more Porsches here. Got some more Porsches over here. Lotus. And then here's the new Lotus. Cooled Collective. There's the DJ right there. It's a nice classic Porsche. Another Lotus. We got the DeLorean. We got some more Lotuses here. Oh, here's a nice Healy. Here's a nice classic Corolla. F430 raced out. Here's the Koenigsegg. Wow, look at the Koenigsegg, guys. Look at this, all carbon fibered out. We got this nice, cool Lambo here with the wrap. Here's our friend's Acura NSX. And there is the Acura Grand Prix here of Long Beach. Here is the line for their coffee and donuts. Wow, the line's actually pretty long. Ferrari here. Here is the main entrance to IKEA. Awesome cars this way. Here's a nice Ferrari here. We got some more Ferraris here. There's a nice clean McLaren. Here's some more Ferrari. The more Ferrari. We're gonna go that way soon. And look, they're actually selling some IKEA stuff here. This aisle first. There's all the cool cars here. All the cool BMWs. A nice Corvette. Here's our friend's Challenger here. Here's a nice C8. There's another Corvette. We got some more BMWs here. There's the the Cadillac right there. Here's a nice M5 wagon. Here's a nice M3. Oh wow, with the HRE wheels. Here's a nice Mini Cooper here. Here's a BM. Here's a nice C7. It's a nice two nice classics right there. Clean M3. The nice Porsche Turbo. Another Ferraris. 2 nice Ferraris. There's the Audi wagon. It's a nice Porsche. We got a nice Honda bike. We got a nice R34. All Nismo'd out. Here's a nice R33 Midnight Purple. We got a nice Porsche. 2 nice Porsches here. And then we got a nice R35. We got 2 R35s here. Here's a nice Lambo. Here's a McLaren. Here's a nice convertible Huracan. A nice R35. It's a nice Porsche. This is a nice Ferrari. There's our friend's AMG right there. Rolls Royce. The new AMG here. We got the McLaren. Actually, we got not 3 nice McLarens here. Here's a nice GT3 RS. And we got 2 clean Ferraris. Here's a nice clean GT3 RS. And then here is a nice classic Porsche here. Wow, this is nice. And here's another classic Porsche. Check out the Ferrari, but also check out the cat. Wow, I think that's a Savannah. Wow. We're now here in this row. 2 nice classic Mercedes-Benz. 3 AMGs, all different color. Oh, this one's for sale. Asking for $135. Oh, it's a GTR too. And here is a nice S-Class AMG. Here's another AMG. Here's a nice wagon. Here's another nice AMG. We got all the Volkswagens here. All the nice GTIs. Here's the ID Buzz. We got this nice Volvo there. What was it? Altiza? Oh wow, this one motor on this. Here's an AMG wagon. Oh wow, this is a nice Audi Q3 dropped. Never really seen one. We got a nice M4. We have a nice Lexus ISF. Here is our friend's Lexus. And then here is our friend's wide body Pandem Supra. Here's a nice classic Volvo wagon. It's a Subaru. Here's a nice clean M2 with BBS wheels, carbon fiber lip. Oh, even his grill too. That's nice. Here's a nice M3. Your clean M2. Here's another M3. We got an R8 that just rolled in. Here's a nice Porsche. Here's a nice M3s here. Oh, with the BBS wheels. Here's another M3 here with some nice BBS wheels. Here's a clean M2. Another M3 here. There's a nice BM. Looks like we're in the BMW lane here. Here's a nice M3. There's a nice M2. Wow, this M2 has the Recaro carbon fiber seats and a roll cage. Here's another M3 here. Oh, with race wheels. Here's a nice BM with HRE wheels. Nice clean M2. Oh wow, look at this engine bay right here. That's nice. Gold titanium. Here's a nice M4 with the CSF intake. Oh, that's nice. With the carbon fiber tubings. It's a nice M3. Another nice M3. M4 with the golden HRE wheels. Never seen that one before. That's nice. Another M3 here. Oh, here's a nice clean M3 with carbon fiber fenders. Here's another M3 with the CSF. M4 with the Wagner tuning and the precision turbo. Wow, that's nice. It's an M3 right here. Here's another M3 here. Here's a nice M2 with the BBS wheels. Here's a classic BM. Here's another M2 right here. And then we got some more BMs here. Wow, basically like this whole row is all BMW out. Nice. We're back here in our row. And check out our 2 new neighbors here. Look at this. We got the Pajero Dakar, all right-hand drive. This is so cool. Nice. Normally I would just see one, but to see 2 at the same time, this is so cool. So we're now here in this row, and check out our friend's Nick's awesome Civic hatchback here. Look at this. He got the Advance wheels, right-hand drive, bride seats, and Recaros with the Momo steering wheel. Here's his IG. Check him out. And YouTube. Nice. Civic Type R. Oh, this is clean. Check out the Civic right beside him. Wow, look at that. He got the carbon fiber. What's that? No headlights. The race wheels. We got the AP racing brakes. We got the Recaro seats here. Wow, nice interior with the roll cage. We got the Jace Racing carbon fiber wing right here. And then check out this classic, what's this? Is this Toyota? It's nice. With the wheels. Wow, look how tiny it is. This is crazy. And speaking of tiny, look at this tiny bike right here. And then here's another tiny car right here too. And then here's another one. Here's a nice clean Miata, a clean Type R, this nice Z, the Hyundai N, the Hyundai Veloster. We got some more Hyundais here. Nice, cute car here. Right-hand drive too. Oh, it's the Nissan Figaro, clean Prius. Now over here on this part, here's all the awesome cars here. It's RX-7, some bright seats, and got some nice wheels there. Nice wide body Supra. There's another Supra there. CRX, right-hand drive coming in. Got some more cool cars here. We got a wide body Supra. There's a nice RSX. Portable food court here from IKEA. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 Supras. We got some more cool builds here. Oh, look at the livery on this. What's this, Sylvia? 3 S2Ks here. GTR wagon here. Look at the engine bay on that. Here's another wagon here. So check out this Supra with Rohana wheels. Carbon fiber too. Man, that's clean. This Century here. Look at that. All VIP'd out. We actually see this Camry a lot too. Original CRX, clean. 2 GR Corollas, stock S2K, fully stock Supra here. 2 Subarus here. This is RCF. It's another RCF here. There's the Porsche 4Runner here. Here's a nice RCF, clean Supra, all carbon fibered out. There's another Supra here. Wow, look at that. All 3 of them right there. Here, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look on this row. Damn, look how many Type R's are here. Damn. Look at that. More Type R's than a Honda dealership. All right, we got a nice Acura Integra right-hand drive. But wow, look at all the Civic Type R's here. This is crazy. Nice Nissan here. Here's another Supra with Advan wheels. Here's a nice Ford. All the BMWs here now. They got the go-kart here. Here is the go-kart track. So here's all the Mustangs. Here's now the BMWs here and the Volkswagens. And then we got some more here, guys. Oh my gosh. This parking lot is huge. Look at this. All nothing but cars here. Here's the row parked behind us. We got some cool BMWs here. Here's a brand new M2 coming in. And then we got we got 2 M2s here. Here is our friends RX-7. And then here's a nice Cayenne. The new cars that arrived here. We got this nice, was this Pontiac? A Lamborghini Urus. It's a nice clean Supra. And then here's wow, look at this Corvette, supercharged. Look at this, what's this, Camaro? All carbon fibered out. Oh, damn. Wow. Here's a nice Lambo parked beside them. We got a nice FJ V10 Audi R8. Here's another Audi R8. And then these are all the cool cars parked here in the loading area of IKEA. Got some Porsches here. You got the Lotus. You got some more Porsches. You have the, what's this, 2002 BMW, some Ferraris here. Here is our friends GTR here. The raced out Aston Martin. Nice classic Porsche. And we're back here in the front of IKEA. Check out this like supercar here. LS Motor. This is crazy. So here's the interior. And check this out. What's this? Mid-engine LS Motor. And this is the rear right here. We're back here at Great Maple here in Fashion Island, Newport Beach. And this is how this place looks like. So I got me their steakhouse burger. Oh my gosh, look at that. With fries. And she got the turkey bolognese. And we're still waiting for one more. Our buttermilk pancakes arrived. And this is all of our food right here. All right, guys, check out this awesome Porsche zinger here. Oh my gosh. Look at the motor. Check out the wheels. Check out the interior. Oh damn, look at the nice seats. And check out the front.